back. So we'll take it forward. Um, so I taught you how to write the title between the two tags. This is the title opening tag and this is the title closing tag, and it's between the head opening tag and the head closing tag. So the forward slash means it's the closing tag. All the content will be between the body tag. Okay, the first tag will be a division ID. So you write div, press enter, and you will get something like d class equal to open quote, close quote. So you'll remove the class and you'll just write div id, and this division id will be called container. The container will have all the the new divides, the components inside it. So now I'm going to press enter. You see that when I click on div, the blue line is underneath this div and underneath this div. So it's the opening and closing of the container. Now within the container I will have the background. So I will create a division for each um, component. So now I will have a background which I will have a background of stars. So I'll have a div id. So I'm just going to type div, enter, replace this with div id and call it stars. Okay. Since this is the background, we will not be linking the images, we will be linking the images in the CSS. So I'm going to write all the div IDs here. This is the background of stars. Then we'll have something rotating in the background, that is like two circles. So I am going to create a division for them. So their div IDs will be circle 1, and so be careful not to write one dividee in another dividee. So we'll start another dividee. This is circle 2, we'll bring this ahead. Okay, so the two images that we'll be putting on top of our background. So our background has has stars, circle 1 and circle 2, and we'll make a division of falling stars. Sorry, this will be id. In the open quotes you'll write falling star. So I'll write, and always control save it. Then go to your folder, go to your document, double click or open with Chrome. So this will open with Chrome. There's nothing on the page right now, so because we haven't linked all the images. Now the falling star, so if you see this animation illustration, this is the stars background, these are the two circles, and this will be the Supergirl image. If you see, there's a star that is falling in the background, so that is the falling star that I will be image sourcing. So anything that has to be linked, supposing an image has to be linked, I will the tag for that is img src. So I'm just going to write img, press enter, src will come on its own, and in the quotes I will write the name of the png that I have saved it. So now falling stars, I've saved the png as falling dash stars dot png. That's exactly how I'll write it in my code, because otherwise it will not get linked properly. Now alt tag is something that is a mandatory thing. So anytime when the image is not loading, this alt tag will be written there. So it is very important that you write the description of the image. So I'm just writing falling star. So this is one image. Then we will link our Supergirl div class, remove div class, div id, open quotes, Supergirl. So this div id is important in CSS. The same name has to be written in CSS, otherwise it will not be linked. I'm going to link my image, so I'll type img, enter, and in the quotes I will write Supergirl the same way I have written in my save my png as. So I have written Supergirl here as well. So this is the end of your HTML file. Now we'll start with the CSS file in the other uh, video. It was. I hope to see you there.